Nzama ya Vamwe ya Mbunge Niyavikiiya Wiwano Kana Silikali Sya Kaunti. Inengwe budget ya Silingi Mbilioni 387 na Kumina Ngusanisyo Sya Syumwa Kauta Katikati wa Ayumbe na Maseneta. Wiwano owi ukata uvu ucho kwa mangavana ala kwesila Nzama yo ya COG Mbilioni wachu mwakima kulisi ya iseso yeye kala atu emetoke maiweta vena moisyo edhe wacheni kiikwate Kana na metoke Benjamin mwaka ena ilivoti mbeange.
Oyuma gavana menondo akutani eti na mbunge kwisila Nzama Vamwe ya Wiwano konyilo vya Sya Kaunti. Kwitikilana kunenga magavana Silingi Bilioni 387 teo budget ya Silikali Sya Kaunti mwaka huu wa serikali.
And we have agreed unequivocally and unanimously that our counties deserve resources, and for that reason we have reinstated the figure that they got the last financial year of 385 billion, and on top of that we have made and provisioned additional resources of Kenya shillings 2 billion to make our counties perform their duties efficiently.
Nzama ile weta ni etikilana kuendea kuongela mpesa Sya Kaunti kila mwaka. Maiweta vena itumi mbianu kuikithia county ni sienda mpesa mbingi kwa oyu.
We have seen that there are many areas that we need to support our counties. One is the additional levies that are there now in terms of housing levy, where the employer and the employee have to pay. Counties are still employers, as we all know. The new levies in the healthcare provision, the new cadre of payee.
They need to make sure that at least they cap on wastage, they cap on corruption, and make sure before they start on new projects, they make sure at least they can finish the stalled projects so that at least we make progress.
If we have been able to persuade each other that counties must never receive money less than what they received in the previous financial year or the preceding financial year, that is progress.
I think that we were actually trading on a very dangerous premise when we wanted to find ourselves in a situation whereby counties were going to be given money below what they got in the previous year. Because most of the funds that are going to the counties are essentially financing administration of those counties.
Ngaliko ya Ayumbe hinenda kaunti Inengwe Silingi Bilioni 387 kumanwa na mutu ya kufitango kwa finance bill ya mwaka huu na Maseneta manalu meleli tinongi na kaunti Inengwe Silingi Bilioni 800 otondu syaitwe nthini wa budget ya mwaka huu.
It wasn't easy, but in every mediation process there's give and take. I think at the end of the day we have agreed on the figures. My appeal is to all the accounting officers, both the governors and at the national level, to be prudent in the management of these resources.
The position taken is that the goodwill to support devolution is extremely apparent from both sides. All of us come from counties, including my counterpart.
And as much as there is also will to add more resources to the counties, the constraint remains that we have scarcity of resources in terms of collection of revenue. So there has never been a question of who supports or who does not support devolution. All of us here unequivocally, we all support devolution from the National Assembly to the Senate fully without any doubt about it.
Vilengwa mauvo kuma Vamwe nilovi nita wa Benjamin mwaka.